Okay, honey, this is the cabinet. We still don't have no cabinet on the top. It's only the bottom. Okay? We don't have no much money. Okay, this way. It's still the same. It's still the kitchen. Uy, come here. Uy, refrigerator. Ang refrigerator, the refrigerator I told you, the small one, this is the size right here. You can see it. Right here. Okay. This China cabinet is already broke, so we need to make a new one. Okay. So, this is the same area. This is a dining room through the living room. This the TV that I told you. This the TV that I told you is 40 inch LED. We don't have much in here.